ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹர ஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே ஜகதः பிதரௌ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரௌ. ஸ்ரீ பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வராभ्यां நமः. कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैर्नभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभक्तपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വിണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുംഭീരേണ്ടാത്തോരോ രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome to the class. So இன்னைக்கு Revati, can you and Vasu, can you do 15, both of you?
Sure.
And then
Can I start?
yeah, you can start. And then Jayashree, you can be a student today. And Sindhuji, can you be a student today?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Okay. Vasaninga ఆరంభించుకోండి.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्येष्वसक्ता तु अमृतकृदुपरुन्दे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिं महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतानि अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशाः इति
Sorry, andratla Purusha, okay? It's not Purusha. Purusha.
पुरुषः ओके
Purusha.
पुरुषः पञ्चविंशाः इति विदितविभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्याः कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौगैः नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरं मदनुभजन तत्त्वा लोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Third line la we joined that visarga with the is, okay? So it's lochanais sapyapeyat.
लोचनैः साप्यपेयात्. Okay. विमलमतिरुपातैः आसनादै मदङ्गं गरुडसमधिरूढं दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गं रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेतानुवेलं कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः मम गुणगणलीला कर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोग प्रत्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्वजेत्री कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बं प्रतिदिनं अनुपुष्णन् श्रीजितो बाललाली विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनं मय्यभक्ताः कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
The third line is
जठरि
sorry, third line end maya bhaktaha kadayadu bhaktaha.
Okay, मय्यभक्तः. Okay, perfect. युवति जठरिकिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यं पुनरपि बत मुह्येत् एव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थाः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाद्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पतार्थं कपिलतनुरुतित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः इति सुविदितवेद्यां देवहूतिं कृतनुतिमनुगृह्य त्वं गतो योगी संगैः विमलमतिरतासौ भक्ति योगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहितार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्यां परम किमु बहुक्त्यां त्वत्पदाम्बोज भक्तिं सकल भय विनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं त्वद्विदूयां
Tadviduya.
Okay, tam tadviduyam yanme Guru Pavanapuresha Tvayupadatva Bhaktim Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Very good. And the only small thing, the stanza 2 on the third line, it's not prakrityaha, it was just prakritya. So just the correct manikungo.
இல்ல நான் வீடியோல ஒரு ப்ராப்ளி நான் தப்பா இன்னும் வாட்டி கேக்குறேன் நான். பிரகிருத்தியாக மாதிரி தான் இருந்தது அதனால தான்.
Okay, it's just Prakritiya. So, Jayashree, mute लिरके.
Guru Pavana Puresha va Purayesha va.
Puresha, Jasha. Yeah.
Just
So, yes, sure. So, good job, Vasu. So, just on the nadula vande, you are pausing in every line in the middle of the sentence. Okay for now, but aprama when you actually practice it, just see if you can say it continuously, unless we intentionally put a pause.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Yeah. No, I've not got the tune yet, but I'm just practicing.
Yeah, that's right. I didn't want to stop you in that. I just was checking for the pronunciation. So,
okay, perfect.
Okay. Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Madhiriga Guna Shakta Bandha Kritesha Vasakta Amrita Kridu Parante Bhakti Yoga Stutya Saktim Magadanu Kamalabhya Bhakti Revatra Sadhya Kabiladanu Riditvam Devahustyainagadihi Prakriti Mahadangarakshcha Matracha Bhutani Abhikrita Vida Sakshi Purushah Panjavimshah Idi Vidita Vibhako Muchyate Sau Prakritya Kabilatanuruditvam Devahutye Nyagadihi Prakritiga Gunaugair Najyate Purushoyam Yatitu Sajati Tasyam Tadgunastam Bajeran Madanu Bhajana Tattva Lochanais Sapyaveyat Kaviladanuruditvam Devahutyai Nyagadihi Vimalamadirupatyaihi Asanatyair Madankam Garuda Samatirudham Divyabhushayutangam Ruchitu Litatamalam Silaye Tanuvelam Kapiladanuridittvam Devahutyai Nyagadihi Mama Gunagana Leela Karnanaihi Kirtanatyaihi Maisura Saritoha Pragya Sittaanuvritti
Vrittihi.
Okay. Maisura Saritoha Prakya Sittaanuvrittihi.
Prakya, okay, not Prakya kadayadu. Prakya Chittaanuvritti. The A is not there.
Okay. Prakya Chittaanuvrittihi Bhavati Parama Bhaktihi Sahi Mrityor Vijayatri Kabilatanuridittvam Devahutyai Nyagadihi Ahaha Bahula Himsa Sanchitarthai அதான் தெரியல அதுல இருக்காது அஹஹ பகுல ஹிம்சா சஞ்சிதார்த்தைஹி குடும்பம் பிரதிதினமனுபுஷ்ணன் ஸ்திரீச்சிதோபாலலாலி விசதிஹி கிருஹசக்தோ யாதனாமய்ய பக்தः கபிலதனுரிதித்வம் தேவஹூத்யை ஞகாதிஹி யுவதி ஜடர கின்னோ ஜாதபோதோப்யகாண்டே பிரசவ கலிதயோக போதக இல்ல போத பீடயோ லங்கிய பால்யம் புனரபி பதமுஹ்ய ஏவ தாருண்ய காலே கபிலதனுரிதித்வம் தேவஹூத்யை ஞகாதிஹி பித்ருசுரகணயாஜி தார்மிகோ யோ கிரஹஸ்தः சச்ச நிபததி காலே தக்ஷிணாத் ஓபகாமி மை நிஹிதம் மகாமம் மை நிஹிதமகாமம் கர்மதூதக் பதார்த்தம் கபிலதனுரிதித்வம் தேவஹூத்யை ஞகாதிஹி இதி சுவிதித வேத்யாம் தேவஹே தேவஹூதிம் கிருதனுதிமனுக்ருஹ்ய த்வம் கதோ யோகி சாங்கைஹி त्वं कदो योगि संकैः विमलमतिरथासौ भक्तियोगेन मुक्ता त्वमपि जनहिनार्थं वर्तसे प्रागुदीच्यां परम किमु बहुक्त्या त्वत्पदां पूज भक्तिं सकलभयविनेत्रीं सर्वकामोपनेत्रीं वदसि खलु दृढं त्वं तत्विदूयामयान्मे गुरुपवनपुरेश त्वय्युपादत्स्वभक्तिं श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very good. The second line, last stanza, and both of the stream are long themes. So, Sakalabhayavinetrim, Sarvakamopanetrim. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll start 17. So 17, I think we finished up to 4. So I'll just say 1 to 4 and then we'll start with the fifth stanza. उत्तानपादनृपतेर्मनुनन्दनस्य जाया बभूव सुरुचिर्नितरामभीष्टा अन्या सुनीतिरिति भर्तुरनादृता सा त्वामेव नित्यमगते शरणं गताभूत् अंके पितुः सुरुचिपुत्रकमुत्तमं तं दृष्ट्वा ध्रुवः किल सुनीतिसुतोऽधिरोक्ष्यन् आचिक्षिपे किल शिशुः सुतरां सुरुच्या दुस्सन्त्यजा खलु भवद्विमुखैरसूया त्वन्मोहिते पितरि पश्यति धारवश्ये दूरं दुरुक्तिनिहतः सगतो निजाम्भाम् सापि स्वकर्म गतिसन्तरणाय पुंसां त्वत्पादमेव शरणं शिशवे शशंस आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा मानी निरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दृष्टनारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गः त्वामारराद तपसा मधुकाननान्ते. That's where we stop. We'll start with the fifth one. ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनः क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पंचमासान्. So we saw how the Suruchi was the dearest wife for Uttanapada, and Suniti was not as loved by him. And Suniti had a son called Dhruva, and then when Dhruva saw Uttama, who was Suruchi's son, sitting on Uttanapada's lap, and he went and tried to sit, so Suruchi then told him that he cannot sit. And then he went to his mother Suniti, who said, all of this is because of all your past actions or karma, and the only thing you have is refuge to the Lord. So Dhruva, who was just 5 years old, then goes to the forest. That's where we left last time. So here, although Uttanapada did not stop Suruchi at that time, he was still very concerned that his 5-year-old son has now left home and he has gone to the forest. So to console him, so Narada, who had met Dhruva on the way in the last stanza and had taught him what he needs to meditate on and how he needs to meditate, so that Nagarim Ghatena Sri Naradena. So by that Narada who went to the city to talk to King Uttanapada, and then he goes and consoles Uttanapada by saying that your son is safe and you don't have to go stop him, and he's in this forest and he's meditating right now. And meanwhile in the forest, Dhruva is doing Kathora Tapasa. He's doing very intense penance, and that penance also is Krama Vardhite, and it is increasing in intensity. So first of all it is intense, and then it is also accelerating in intensity, right? And he does this for Panchamasan. He's been now doing this penance for 5 months at this point. So Thate Bishanna Hridaye Nagarim, longi Nagarim Gatena, and then put a plus there. Sri Naradena Parisanttvita. Parisant itrukanga. Parisanttvita Chitta Vrittau. Balas Twadarpita Manaha is there. So put a ich to join. Balas Twadarpita Manah Krama Varditena Ninye Kathora Tapasa Kila Panchamasan. ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनः क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पंचमासान्. Jeshipurila.
ताते विषण्णहृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनाः क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोरतपसा किल पञ्चमासान्।
Yeah, 2 times.
ताते विषण्णहृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमनाः क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोरतपसा किल पञ्चमासान्।
ताते विषण्णहृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वितचित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमना क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोरतपसा किल पञ्चमासान्। ताते विषण्णहृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वितचित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमना क्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोरतपसा किल पञ्चमासान्।
Stanza 6. तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्तितस्त्वमुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वद्रूपछिद्रसनिलीनमतेः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडादिरूढः. So then, as Dhruva's penance intensity started increasing, he reached a point where he was not even breathing. And like we had discussed in the 15th chapter, right, when Kapila was explaining, is there's a universal soul. And so what Dhruva had reached, he had reached a level of maturity where he was impacting the entire universe, because he had already identified himself through all this penance that he was part of this universal soul. So him constraining or not breathing was essentially affecting the rest of the world as well. So they were also getting suffocated. So all the gods then decide to then go to you, Tvam, who is Karunardra Chetaha, who is full of compassion, O Lord, whose mind is filled with compassion. So they come to you until you go, and now time for you to go meet with Dhruva and then give him what he wants, right? So like we had saw what happened to Kardama, where the god was coming in the form of what Kardama was thinking. So very similarly here, the god had to first understand Dhruva being a 5-year-old, what is he thinking? If we are walking or sitting at home, suddenly we see somebody sitting there with 4 hands in our house, right? Then we are going to get scared. It's the first thing that's going to happen. We are going to get scared. So Anala, it's like you have to be ready for it. So you have to know what is Dhruva thinking. So the Lord first went and understood what was in Dhruva's mind, and then you approached in front of him, Avir Bhabu with a Garudadi Rudaha, mounted on Garuda. You then appeared in front of Dhruva. So, Tavat Tapobhala. So there's a half ta and a full ta. Tavat Tapobhala Niruch, half ich, Niruch Chwasite. So the second is ch, but it's got a line underneath in Sanskrit. So it's not a full ch. Chwasite digante, comma, devartitas twamudayat karunardra chetaha twadrupa chidrasa nilina matehe is there. So put a if to join. Mateh purastat. So put a it at the end of that line and put a comma. So next line, if you have a da, remove the da and put a a. Avir bhabhuvitha vibho garudhadi rudaha. Tavat tapobala niruchhvasite dighante devartitastvamudayat karunadrachetaha त्वद्रूपचिद्रसनिलीन mateः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडादिरूढः.
तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्तितस्वमुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचिद्रसनिलीनमतेः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविथ विभो गरुडादिरूढः. तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छ्वसिते श्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्तितस्वमुदयत् करुणाद्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचिद्रसनिलीनमतेः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविथ विभो गरुडाधिरूढः
तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छसिदे दिगन्ते देवार्थितस्त्वमुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेदाः त्वद्रूपजिद्रसनिलीनमदे पुरस्ताद् बभूविद विभो गरुडाधिरूढः तावत्तपोबलनिरुच्छसिदे दिगन्ते देवार्थितस्त्वमुदयत् करुणार्द्रचेदाः त्वद्रूपजिद्रसनिलीनमदे पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविद विभो गरुडाधिरूढः.
Hinduji, the third line after that mate, just make sure that if sound is audible, right? So mate purastad.
त्वद्रूपजिद्रसनिलीनमदेः पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूविद विभो गरुडाधिरूढः.
Rajeshji, that in the first line, Shoside Digante. What is Digante means?
Digande is in all direction. Dik means direction.
Oh, okay.
So Digande is in all directions. So essentially, when he had stopped breathing, it was affecting the people in all directions.
Oh, thank you.
Stanza 7. Twaddarshana pramada bharatarangitam tam drigbyam nimagnamiva rupa rasayanete tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi darena tatha darena. So when the Lord now comes in front of Dhruva, he is like completely filled with bliss, right? And he doesn't know what to do. So he's like Pramada Bharam, he's so overwhelmed with what he's seeing that he wants to now praise the Lord, but then he's not able to praise the Lord. So no words are coming out of his mouth. So the Lord, who then realizes that, what he does is he takes his dharena. Dharena is the conch, and with this conch, he didn't go touches his kapola deshe. He touches Dhruva's cheeks, because the conch is the source of all the Vedas. And Dhruva was only 5 years old, right? So he's not really learned anything yet. So when the Lord touches it with the conch on Dhruva's cheeks, suddenly Dhruva gets enlightened at this point, right? So that's what is happening in this stanza 7. So Twadharshana, so double the there, Twadharshana pramadha bhara tarangitam tam, comma, dribhyam nimagnamiva rupa rasayanete. So rupa rasayanam is like the bliss or the nectar of your form. So looking at such a beautiful form of the Lord, he didn't know what to do. Rupa rasayanete tushtushamanam avagamya. So you can either break it tushtushamanam avagamya, or you can say it together as tushtushamanam avagamya kapola deshe, comma, samsprishtavan asi dharena tathadarena twaddarshana pramada bharatarangitam tam drigbyam nimagnamiva rupa rasayanete tushtushamanamavagamya kapola deshe samsprishtavanasi dharena tathadarena.
त्वद्दर्शन प्रमद भारत रंगितं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायनेते तुष्टूषमाण भवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण त्वद्दर्शन प्रमद भारत रंगितं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायनेते तुष्टूषमाण भवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण.
The third line, Jesha, somehow I'm hearing some other letter. The tushtushamanam avagamya.
Okay.
Do you have a ba?
Ba, mavagamya na potruk.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
तरङ्गिदं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायने ते तुष्टुषमाणमवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसिदरेण तदादरेण त्वद्दर्शनप्रमदभारतरङ्गिदं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायने ते तुष्टुषमाणमवगम्य कपोलदेशे संस्पृष्टवानसिदरेण तदादरेण.
Stanza 8. तावद्विबोधविमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनं आभाषतास्त्वमवगम्य तदीयभावं राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्. So once the Lord touches Dhruva's cheeks with his conch, so like we said, Dhruva now completely gets enlightened. And malam is dirty or not clean. Vimalam is the opposite of that. So he's now completely untainted, right? He's become completely clean, and it's of ignorance, not of the actual dirt, right? He's completely cleansed from all the ignorance, and he's got all the knowledge. And then Dhruva then starts singing, he starts praising the Lord because now he's gained all the knowledge. So, and then the Lord now knows what is in Dhruva's mind. So there is one backstory I had read on this long time back. I don't know how true this is, but so in his previous life, Dhruva was born as a Brahmin, and he was very religious, and he was doing all the right things. So he had a friend who was a prince. So Dhruva always wanted to be a prince, that he felt like he didn't have enough money and he wanted to be a prince as well. He wanted to see how it was, right? So that's why they say, oh, in this next Janmam, he was then born as a prince, but then he had his own constraints. But anyway, so knowing what Dhruva had in his mind, so the Lord then blessed him that Rajyam Chiram. So you will be enjoying your kingship. You will be able to lead the kingdom for several years. And once all of that is done, then Sarvottaram, Sarvo Uttaram, the highest of state you will reach, right? In Dhruva Padam, in a land called as, which is the land, or whether Dhruva Rikkaradhanala that became Dhruva Loka or vice versa, I don't know what the sequence is, but in that land of Dhruva Loka, in the planet of Dhruva Loka, you will eventually go and get settled, and then you'll attain me. And we'll get liberated. The God blesses him here. Thavad Vibhoda Vimalam Pranuvantamenam. Pranuvantamenam. Put a im there at the end of that line and a comma. So next line la ma bhasha, remove the ma and put a a. So abhashatas tvam avagamya. Abhashatas tvam avagamya. Tadiya bhavam Rajyam Chiram Samanubhuya Bhajaswa Bhuyaha, comma Sarvottaram Dhruva Padam Vinibritti Heenam. Tavad Vibhoda Vimalam Pranuvantamenam Abhashatastvam Avagamya Tadiya Bhavam Rajyam Chiram Samanubhuya Bhajaswa Bhuyaha Sarvottaram Dhruvapadam Vinivrittihinam.
Tavat vibhoda vimalam.
One second.
Is it Vinivritti or Vinivarti?
Vinivritti. Vritti.
Tavat vibhoda vimalam pranuvantamenam abhashatastvam tadiya bhavam rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam. Tavat vibhoda vimalam pranuvantamenam abhashatastvam tadiya bhavam rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam.
Tavaddiboda vimalam pranuvantamenam abhashadastamavagamya tadiya bhavam rajyam chiram samanubhuya bhajasva bhuyah sarvottaram dhruvapadam vinivrittihinam. Tavaddiboda vimalam pranuvantamenam आभाषदास्त्वमवगम्य तदीयभावं राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्.
Rajesh ji, Tavat Vibodha or Tavat Dibodha?
B as in Victor. Vibodha.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have birds, Rajesh, at home?
No, I think it is Sindhuji's house. Birds chirping.
We will close it.
Yeah,
No worries. You're just asking where it is coming
It was
from.
very cute. I just wondering, maybe I thought it is in your house.
No.
we just have the windows open.
Okay.
Hindu, it's fine. I like it.
Yeah.
The birds are learning Narayaniyam.
I know.
Yeah. Actually, we have a bird nest in,
Next to
Yeah.
puja room.
next to
Okay.
us. So Anand was saying that they are learning already.
Very nice. Stanza 9. इत्युचिषे त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिता किल जनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः. So ityuchishi, so having said this, O Lord, the Lord then disappears from there. And Dhruva then comes Nagarim. He comes back to his kingdom. He comes back to the time, to the region, land. And Akhila Janaha, all the rest of the people of the kingdom are now extremely happy because Dhruva has come back. And later on, as time passes, and Thate Gate Chavanam, once his father reaches a certain age and he decides to give up the kingdom and take sannyasam, so his father then leaves for the forest, and Dhruva then takes over the administration of the kingdom. And all of this, Bhattaripad is saying, is because Bhavat Anugraha Purna Kamaha is the result of all of this is fully because of your blessings and because of what you blessed Dhruva. Dhruva now took over the administration of the kingdom. So, Ityuchishi Tvai Gate Nripananda no Sau. So, end that thing with a Sau at the end of that line and a comma. Nripananda.
Chushi dane.
Chishi. Iti.
Chishi.
Yeah, Chishi. Iti Chishi.
Chushi illa.
Chushi illa. It's Chishi. It's talking. Chishi is talking. So iti Chishi. Ityu Chishi. Tvai Gate Nripananda no Sau. Sau at the end and put a comma. Next line, if we have Va, V as in Victor, Va, then change it to A. Anandita Khila. So Anandita Akhila. Anandita Khila Jano Nagarim Upetaha. Reme Chiram Bhavadanugraha Purna Kamaha. So put a visarga there at the end and a comma. Fourth line, like is, remove the is out. Tate Gate Cha Vanamadrita Rajya Bharaha. Ityuchishe Tvai Gate Nripanandanoso Anandita Jano Nagari Mupetaha Reme Chiram Bhavadanugraha Purna Kamaha Tate Gate Chavanamadrita Rajya Bharaha.
Rajesh, ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட். இத்யூ சிஷீர் சொல்றேல, திருப்பி ஒரு வாட்டி can you pronounce that for me?
இத்யூ சிஷி.
அந்த சுஷின்னு இருக்கு, மாத்திக்கணும்.
ஆமா, okay. Most of the okay. Ityu chishi, then not chushi. Chishi.
சொல்லவா?
Sure.
इत्योचिषि त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिताखिलजनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः इत्योचिषि त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिताखिलजनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः ताते गते च वनमादृतराज्यभारः
इत्युजिषि त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिदाखिल जनो नगरीमुभेदः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः तादे गदे वनमादृतराज्यभारः इत्यूजिषि त्वयि गदे नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिदाखिलजनो नगरीमुभेदः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रहपूर्णकामः तादे गदे वनमादृतराज्यभारः.
Stanza 10. यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनधादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन् महात्मा. So then time passes and Dhruva's brother Uttama, once when he goes hunting, he is then killed by a yaksha. And then his mother Suruchi then goes looking for him and she also ends up dying. So Dhruva then goes looking for them, and when he finds out, he starts having a battle with this yaksha. And then with the help of, then Manu comes and intervenes and tells him not to kill that yaksha. So Dhruva then withdraws the battle. So Kubera, who is the head of the yakshas, then comes and is very happy because Dhruva withdrew from the battle. And then he goes and asks him for any boon that Dhruva wants. So Dhruva then says, the Bhattacharya says, Mahatma, Dhruva being a very great souled person, he says, Tvat bhaktimeva sudridham. He says, he only asked for your devotion. So Sudridham is being a very even more firmer devotion. So even more than what he has, he only asked for your complete dedicated devotion to you, O Lord. This is there. So Dhruva then comes back, and that's what happens here. So yakshena deva nihate punaruttamesmin, comma, yakshaihi is there, so put a is to join. Yakshais sa yuddha nirato virato manuktya shantya prasanna, double na is there, prasanna hridayat dhanadad upetat, hridayat dhanadad upetat. So put a it at the end of that line and a comma. And then next line, there will be two haftas in Sanskrit. To remove one of that hafta, so it's tvad bhaktimeva. Tvad bhaktimeva sudridham. Sudridham abrunon mahatma. Yakshena deva nihate punaruttamesmin yakshais sayuddha nirato virato manuktya shantya prasanna hridaya dhanadhadupetat tvad bhaktimeva sudridham avrunon mahatma.
Ajeshji, in the last line, Tadbhaktimeva Sudridham or Dridham?
Sudridham.
Thank you.
यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनोक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढां वृण
Sudridham avrunon mahatma.
सुदृढाम् अवृणोन् महात्मा यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षे स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन् महात्मा.
यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन्महात्मा. यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरदो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदया धनदादुभेदाद् त्वत्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन्महात्मा.
Last one. Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste evam swabhritya janapalana loladhisthvam vatalayadipannirundi mamamayoghan. So ante, so finally at the end, then because of vimanayate, through celestial means, Dhruva along with Matrasamam, along with his mother, then happily go live in Dhruvapade, in the Dhruva Loka, right? They go live there at the end of it. So in this manner, then Bhattacharya says at the end is, you are Krishna, Guruvayappa, you are so ready and so available to come and protect your devotees whenever they needed help. So when Dhruva needed help, and of course he had to go meditate for penance, do penance for 5 months and all that, but whenever he comes and asks for it, you immediately came, you helped him, you gave him more than what he wanted, and you did all this. So similarly, please Nirundi, please cure Mamama Yoghan, all these ailments and all this struggle that I am having, please help and cure all this also for me, just like how you did for Dhruva in this chapter. Then Bhattacharya ends this Dasakam.
So, Rajesh, excuse me. இந்த லாஸ்ட் ஸ்டான்ஸா வந்து இந்த புக்ல இல்லவே இல்லை.
அப்படியா?
ஆமா, 10 தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, so I can send a, நீங்க சான்ஸ்கிரிட் யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா இல்ல என்ன யூஸ் பண்றீங்க?
தமிழ்.
தமிழா?
தமிழ் இருக்கு இதுல, சான்ஸ்கிரிட் ரெண்டும் இருக்கு இதுல.
But if I send you a picture in Sanskrit, will you be able to use it now? Or no. Tamil na? I don't know if anybody else here is using Tamil.
Otherwise, I will check in Google and I'll get that.
Yeah, or I can get it from some other group. Somebody
no,
who has Tamil. Okay.
I have another website. I'll look into that.
I have a Tamil version too. I have a Sanskrit and a Tamil. I'll send you the Tamil version.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ante bhavat purusha neeta vimana yato, comma, matra samam dhruvapade muditoyam aste evam swabhritya jana palana lola distvam, comma, vatalayadipa nirundi mamama yoghan. It's mama amaya augan, 3 words, mamama yogan. Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste evam swabhritya janapalana loladhistvam vatalayadipannirundi mamama yogan.
Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste evam swabhritya janapalana loladhistvam vatalayadipannirundi mamamayoghan. Ante bhavat purushanita vimanayato matra samam dhruvapade mudito yamaste evam swabhritya janapalana loladhistvam vatalayadipannirundi mamamayoghan.
Rajesh, a quick question, sorry. The first line, right? Vimana yataha da irukku enoda book.
Yeah, some books have it as yataha, but and then it's yatho. So you can change it to yato.
Ante bhavat purusha nida vimanayado matra samam dhruvapade mudido yamaste evam sobhritya janapalana loladhistvam vadalayadiva nirundi mamamayoghan. Ante bhavat purusha nida vimanayado matra samam dhruvapade mudido yamaste evam sobhritya janapalana loladhistvam पादालयादिव निरुन्धि ममामयौखान्.
So, and Vasu, the reason for that, the confusion between yataha and yato, right, is the Sanskrit when you have the visarga and then you have another letter word following the next one, right? There are joining letters, but there are certain words which do not have those joining letters. So in the na, ma, ella vandadunaka, the previous visarga yataha becomes yato when you're saying it together. So some books, some books might have kept the yataha, which is a actual word, and then because they're separated, that matra is a completely different thing. Some books would have said, hey, yataha kapram matra is coming, so yatraha cannot be, yataha cannot be yataha. It'll become yato because ma is coming next. So that's the reason why that is, right? So I wouldn't, either is okay, but because it's coming together, then it's yato makes sense by general rules. Some books would have taken the liberty of breaking it down, right? Some words automatically. So adanal appadi pannikumbodhu they would have gone to the original in the yataha abdin. So
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
okay, so this completes Dhruva Charitram. So we'll move on to 22, which is Ajamilo Pakyanam. So this is also a little bit konjam philosophy loaded, but it is through a story and everything. So idhula the basic context of this Ajamilo Pakyanam is everybody commits sins, right? And whether you knowingly commit, unknowingly commit it, and there are also different types, right? So for the things you're supposed to do, if you don't do it, that's a sin. Things you are not supposed to do, you do that, that's also a sin, right? So in the Mari, there are a lot of things. And in the Taitriya Samhita, Manusmriti, Adalallam, they have given a set of Prayachittartham of how you cannot completely eliminate your sin. You've done something, you got to pay the karma for it. There's no getting away from it. But there are ways you can reduce the intensity of the karma you're getting as a result of that. And it is not as simple as going to our Grace Lake temple and giving $21, right? It is much more than that. The Prayachittams are like way more complicated, right, than what we do nowadays. Right? If Mr. Prachna, okay, we'll go put our tenga odachidla, like that. It's not that easy. So they have a long set of procedures. So the way they have said is the problem with some of those Prayachittarthams are, while it may help you reduce the intensity of the sin you have committed, it doesn't stop you from committing that sin again. So the example that in Bhagavatam itself, the example they have given is, and Anandji can comment on this coming from Kerala, is you go in Kerala, they bath the elephant and it comes out clean out of the river. The first thing it does when they tie it is it's going to take the mud and put it on itself again, right? So that's exactly the example they give in Bhagavatam is you can clean yourself by doing certain Prayachittartham, but unless you remove the tendency completely, you're going to go commit the sin again, and then you're going to look for Prayachittam again, right? So andha marila irukumbodhu, so Parikshit is asking Sukabrahmam, and they say people are going through all these things, what is the way to avoid this, right? So Sukabrahmam says, okay, let me tell you the story about this person called Ajamila, who was, and let's kind of listen to his story and let's see what happens to him. Appadin sollittu Parikshit is explaining, Sukabrahmam is explaining this story to Parikshit, right? So that's what is there in Bhagavatam. So we'll start now. So 22. I think this is also similar tune as the other one. So I'm not musically inclined, so I just know what the tune is, but I don't know if this is similar to 12th, 17th, but in my couple of other batches, there are some, Narayani maybe will be able to recognize it, but a lot of other people who are musically talented said, oh, this tune is same as that tune. So if you can eventually figure it out, that's good. Ajamilo nama mahisurah pura charan vibho dharma pathan grihashrami guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudhrishta shilam kulatam madhakulam. So long ago, there was a person called Ajamila, and he was a Mahisuraha. He was a great person. He was a great Brahmin who was born into the family of priests and everything. And he had learned everything at a very young age, and he was following all the right path. And eventually he became a grihashrami. He became like a householder. He got married and he had kids. And he was dharma patan. He was following the righteous ways. He knew what the right path was, and he was always following it. One day, his father, who's also his guru, tells him to go to the forest to collect the woods, right? Darbai and other woods for the homam and everything. He goes there, and then when he goes there by mistake or accidentally, he sees Sudrishta Sheelam. He sees a woman who is Sudrishta Sheelam, who is not modest. She was an immodest woman. And then Kulatam is also like immoral. So even ethics wise, she was immoral. And Mada Kulam, Madam. So she was also drinking essentially. So Mada Kulam is the drinking had taken over her is the meaning, but she was drinking. So essentially, Bhagavatam also says she was a prostitute who he sees, and he sees her with somebody else, right? So that's what is happening here in the first stanza. So Ajamilo Nama. So India, just for since you all are since Vasu asked that question in the last chapter. So Ajamilaha is the name. Ajamila is the name. Ajamilaha is the right word. But here you see Nama is coming next to it, right? So that's why it became Ajamilo. Okay. So Ajamilo Nama Mahisuraha is there. So put a if there. Mahisurah Pura, comma. Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami. Grihashrami. Guror Gira Kananam etya drishtavan, comma, sudrishta sheelam kulatam madakulam.
Rajesh, நீங்க திருஷ்டஹா சொன்னீங்க. இங்க வந்து திருஷ்டவான் போட்டிருக்கு. So how do you
Drishtavan தானே சொன்னேன்.
திருஷ்டவான் தான் சொன்னீங்களா?
Ajamilo nama mahisurah pura charan vibho dharma pathan grihashrami guror gira kananametya drishtavan sudrishta sheelam kulatam madhakulam.
Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kananametya Drishtavan Sudrishta Sheelam Kulatam Madakulam. Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kananametya Drishtavan Sudrishta Sheelam Kulatam Madakulam.
Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Badan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kananametya Drishtavan Sudrishta Sheelam Kuladam Madakulam. Ajamilo nama Mahisurah Pura Charan Vibho Dharma Padan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kananametya Drishtavan Sudrishta Sheelam Kuladam Madakulam.
So in the first word Ajamila வந்து originally in Sanskrit the la was not there. Original Sanskrit script. The la got added later on. So adnala in all the three books that I referred, it's Ajamilo, not lo. Okay. But later on, books which have got published, Tamil or Malayalam and Sanskrit, have it as la, the number 8, right? So, but the original was Ajamilo, not lo. Sindhuji, I think because you said Ajamilo, that's why I was correcting it.
It's la. La is
yes, la. La is the correct, because original Sanskrit there is no la.
Oh, okay.
It came later on once the mix happened. So stanza 2.
Ajamilo.
Lo, yeah. Swatah prashantopi tadha hritashayah swadharmamutsrijyataya samaramhan adharmakari dashami bhavan punah dhadhau bhavan namayute suteratim. There's a little bit more story to this than Bhartripad, of course, is condenses it in one stanza, right? So when Ajamila sees this person, he's now getting attracted, he's getting tempted. But then he remembers all that he has studied and he says, you know what, I should not fall to these temptations. and he tried not to gaze at this woman. But then eventually, he could not control himself, and then he ends up seeing what happens there. Then he comes back home, and then he cannot forget it anymore, right? So then what he does is he goes and gets her home as a servant first, and then later on he starts liking her more, and then he ends up leaving the house, leaving his parents, leaving his wife and children, and getting married to this lady, and then he goes and settles down with her. So once he goes and settles down with her, now he starts incurring, now his way of life changes. Previously, he was in a priest family, they were just getting away with what they have. But now, because his lifestyle has changes, he doesn't have money anymore. So what he does is he then starts getting by unright means. So he starts cheating people, he starts gambling, and then he starts tricking people and stealing and everything. And over a period of 88 years, it says in Bhagavatam, he has 10 children with her. And however, here it says the last one, right, the last child that he has, it says Bhavan Nama Yute Sute Ratim. So he and his wife decide to name the last one your name. So your name in this case referring to Narayana. So they name the last child's name as Narayana. So that's what is happening in stanza 2 here. So Swataha is there, so put a F there to join. Swatah Prashantopi Tada Hritashayaha Swadharmam Utsrujya. So Swadharmam Utsrujya Taya Samaraman Adharmakari Dashami Bhavan Punaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Next line on top of the if you have a ir, remove that ir out. So dadhau bhavan nama yute sute ratim. Oh, and then he became very attached. Ratim is the Ratim dadhau. He became very attached to that last person. And also what they said was this last child who was there, that child could not speak properly. It had a very broken language and it could not move properly. So it had some physical disabilities as well. And so because this child was his very favorite child, and he was always with this child, and he was taking care of this child as well. Swatah prashantopi tada hritashayah swadharmamutsrajyataya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punaha dhadhau bhavan nama yute sute ratim.
Swatah prashantopi tada hritashayah swadharmamutsrajyat tvaya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punaha dadhau bhavan nama yute sute ratim. Swatah prashantopi tada hritashayah swadharmamutsrajyat taya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punaha dadhau bhavan nama yute sute ratim.
Swatah prashantopi tada hritashayah swadharmamutsrajya taya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punaha dadau bhavan nama yude suderadim. Swatah prashantopi tada hritashayah swadharmamutsrajya taya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punaha dadau bhavan nama yude suderadim.
Stanza 3. Samrityukale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Dhiya Puramanak Smriti Vasana Bhalate Juhavanarayana Namakam Sutam. So Ajamila then gets old, and when it was time for his death, or when he was about to die, so now they say that when you're just before you die, your entire life flashes in front of you, right? So all the bad things and all the good things, everything goes out in a flash. So he experiences that, and he's also seeing in front of him Bhayankaran Threen. He sees three very fierce Yamaraja Kinkaran, messengers of Yama who actually come to now take him. So it's pretty much time for him to die, and his soul is about to leave the body. So at that point, then what he does is, a lot of people, right, they say that I don't have to worry about praying or anything right now. When I'm about to die, I'll just call the God's name, right? So practically it's not feasible because, like at the time of that, you don't know what's going to happen. And the first, what is inherently your nature, your prakriti is what is going to come out, right? People will start thinking about their family. They'll start thinking what's going to happen to all the money I've saved or whatever, right? So now it's very difficult to get your mind. That's why people say that you have to be constantly praying because that becomes part of your DNA, right? So Inge, because of Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat, due to the strength of the Vasana, of the memory of Tvat Smriti, of all the praying that he had done in his previous life and earlier on in his life, all the devotion he's had, and also because, remember, his son's name was Narayana, and he'll be no more in the next stanzas as well, because he's been constantly saying that name. Because of the strength of that, in the last moment when he was about to die, he calls out his son's name. He calls out his son's name, Narayana, to come because he's so afraid that he's about to die and he's about to pass away. So that's what is happening here. So, sa mrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran, Bhayankaran Streen. So that entire word you'll have to say it together. Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya. So no comma there, continuous. Pura Manak Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat, Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam.
So Rajesh, இதுல வந்து ரெண்டு ஜா இருக்கு, ஜுஹாவன் போட்டிருக்கு இல்லையா? சோ அத ஒன்னு தான் போட்டுறணுமா?
இல்ல, ஜுஹாவன். Oh, you have a Balaj Juhava. Is it what you have between the third line and the fourth line?
Vasana Bala Juhavan.
Oh, okay. So then remove the half j and put a Bhalat it at the end of the third line and put a comma there.
And then the next line starts as Juhava Narayana.
Yeah, exactly. Juhava is to call. So Juhava Narayana. Okay.
So Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan rendu thaniya sollanuma?
No, you can say it together, but it will be difficult to say it. So it will be Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan. That will be easier to say it.
Okay.
Samrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvat Smriti Vasana Balat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam.
Rajesh, in the last line, திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. Abhilakshayan Bhiya தானே அது?
Bhiya.
அது சொல்லுங்க.
Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya.
Biyat or Biya?
Biya. Just ya. No it. No it.
Okay.
Samrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam. Samrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaran Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam.
Samrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankara Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sutam. Samrityu kale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankara Streen Abhilakshayan Bhiya Puramanak Tvat Smriti Vasana Bhalat Juhava Narayana Namakam Sudam.
Stanza 4. दुराशयस्यापि तदात्मनिर्गतत्वदीयनामाक्षरमात्रवैभवात् पुरोऽभिपेतुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजाः पीतपटा मनोरमाः. So even though he was evil in his last several portion of his life, even though he was evil-minded, solely because of Tvadiya Namakshara Matra Vaibhavat. So Namaksharam, because of the letters in your name, because of the glory of that, solely because of the glory of saying your name, right? In front of them, as he's kind of imagining this, in front of him appear Bhavadiya Parshadaha, your messengers, O Lord, now appear, and they are Chatur Bhujaha, they have 4 arms, Pita Pata in yellow robes, and Manoramaha. So somebody in some books they have Manoharaha abdin irukke. So if you have it, change it to Manoramaha. I think I'm trying to remember the reason I gave. So Manohara is referring to the person who is beautiful. Manorama is the adjective beautiful. So adanala the Manorama here made more contextual sense. So they are there with 4 hands, they are wearing yellow robes, and they are beautiful, right? So the Manoramaha. So in front of him appeared this. So Durasha yasyapi Durasha yasyapi tadatva nirgata, and then put a plus. Tvadiya Namakshara Matra Vaibhavat Purobi Petur Bhavadiya Parshadaha, comma, Chatur Bhujaha is there, so put a if to join. Chatur Bhujah Pita Pata Manoramaha. Durashayasyapi tadatvanirgatatvadiyanamaksharamatravaibbhavat purobipeturbhavadiya parshadaha chaturbhujah pitapata manoramaha.
Durashayasyapi tadatvanirgatah tvadiyanamakshara vaibhavat purobhipeturbhavadiya parshadaha chaturbhujah pitapata manoramaha.
So in the first time the Jayashree end la vandu gatafnu ketadu. It's to gatada. It's no if there. I don't know if you said if.
Tvanirgata tvadiya.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay. Durashayasyapi tada nirgata tvadiyanamaksharamatra vaibhavat.
Try it again. Durashayasyapi tadatva nirgata.
Durashayasyapi tada nirgata
tadatva.
நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்?
Tada nirgata you're saying. You're not saying that it and va. You're saying tada nirgata.
Tadatva.
Yeah.
Durashayasyapi tadatva nirgata tvadiyanamaksharamatra vaibhavat.
Sorry, go ahead. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Purobhipeturbhavadiya parshadaha chaturbhujah pitapata manoramaha.
Yeah.
Durashayasyapi tadatvanirgatatvadiyanamaksharamatravaibbhavat purobipeturbhavadiya parshadaha chaturbhujah pitapata manoramaha. Durashayasyapi tadatvanirgatatvadiyanamaksharamatravaibbhavat purobipeturbhavadiya parshadaha chaturbhujah pitapata manoramaha.
We'll do 2 more stanzas and we'll stop today. Stanza 5. Amum cha sampashya vikarshto bhatan vimunchate tyarurudur bhaladami निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तथा तदीय पापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्. So இந்த இடத்துல the sampasha, so what happens is he's now feeling this as if the messengers of Yama are tying him with rope. So that's what we are used to seeing, that Yama is coming and then Yama throws that noose around and all that, right? That is just a physical representation of thing. What actually is happening is, you know, and I mean, I started telling this somebody in my other class that, oh my God, we are feeling so scared. So I'm saying, so don't, I'll give you a forewarning, right? Don't be scared and all that. It's nothing is scary, but I'm just telling. So he says your soul feels a pull that is actually coming, right? It is getting pulled out of your body. So it feels a pull from outside, which is making the soul leave the body. So other one, how do you explain that, right? So that's why people say it throws a rope and then pulls you out, right? But it's essentially a pull that you're feeling. So he's feeling that pull as you're about to do that. So then the Lord's messengers come and stop the Yamadutas, saying, no, don't do that, right? And then there's a conversation that actually is now happening between the Lord's messengers and the Yamadutas. So they are now going, the Lord's messengers are going and stopping, and then they're saying, why are you doing this to him? Why are you kind of taking his soul away, right? And India, the thing is, even so, whatever karma, there are like different paths. I think we spoke in the 50 or in one of the chapters, I forgot which one, that the path in which the soul leaves, all that determines the journey the soul takes, right? So in this case, incidentally, his soul was going to go through a not so good journey. So that's why the people are, the Vishnu Dutas are coming and saying, why are you taking his soul away and why is it going this way? So adukku the Yamadutas then say, hold on, let us tell you all the sins this person has committed, right? And then they kind of give him a list of everything that Ajamila has done, every bad thing that Ajamila has done, right? And then the Yamadutas are reciting everything. And remember, Ajamila is kind of in a state where he's able to hear what is happening, and all of this is happening in a flash, right? So he's hearing everything, and the Yamadutas are narrating all his sins. So amum cha sampashya vikarshato bhatan. So bhatan, comma, bimuncha tetya rurudhur. So you can't break it that easily. It's bimuncha tetya rurudhur baladami nivaritaste cha bhavaj janais tada, comma, tadiya papam nikhilam nyavedayan. So Jayashinika, last time you asked, right, how come you had on the Vasana Balaj Juhavanarayana in the third stanza, right? You see here it's Bhavaj Janes, right? So the logic is Bhavat it plus Janes comes, it becomes ij in between. But in given because it is all coming as one word, that's why that's not Bhavat Janes in two word, it is like Bhavat Janes. But in the previous thing, it was two different lines. That's why it was Bhavat Juhava, right? Or Balat and Juhav. So Bhavat Janes tada, comma, tadiya papam nikhilam nyavedayan. Amum cha sampashya vikarshato bhatan vimunchatetya rurudhur bhaladami nivaritaste cha bhavat janais tadha tadiya papam nikhilam nyavedayan.
अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षतो भटान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्. अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षतो भटान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैः सदा भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीय पापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्.
अमुञ्ज सम्पाश्य विकर्षतो भडान् विमुञ्जदेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारितास्तेज भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्. ज सम्भाष्य विकर्षतो भडान् विमुञ्जदेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारिदास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन्.
Okay, we'll just do one more and we'll stop. भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे. So they say the Lord's messengers are calling the Yamadutas as Panditaha, learned ones, because Yama and his messengers, just because they are coming, they're giving the path to the soul to go where it needs to go, doesn't mean they're bad people. They're all learned people, right? And so he's saying, oh, learned people, you all know that for all the sins that are committed, there are prayachittarthams that could be done, right? And depending on the type of prayachittartham, it reduces the intensity, so there's different leftovers, right? So he's saying, but based on this, when prayachittartham has been done, and they will tell what the prayachittartham is later. When a prayachittartham has been, atonement has been done here, how can you still punish this person? So you being learned people, is this not known to you? Bhavadrisham, for people like you, is this not known? How can you make these mistakes? And people like you cannot make mistakes. The Lord's messengers are telling the Yamadutas, iti prabho tvat purusha, that your messengers, bhabhashire, they now tell the Yamadutas. So bhavantu papani, so they're saying let there be sins. Yeah, he has committed sins. We agree with it. We are not debating the list of sins that you described in the previous stanza, but then we feel that he has already made prayachittartham against it. So that's why we feel he should not be punished. So bhavantu papani katam tu nishkrite, and then put a plus. Kritepi bho dandanam asti panditaha. Na nishkritihi is there, so put a ich to join. Na nishkritih kim vidita bhavadrisham. Put a im at the end of that line. Bhavadrisham, comma. So next line is instead of miti prabho, it's iti prabho. So iti prabho tvat purusha bhabhashire. भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा भभाषिरे.
भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न कृष्टिः
न
निष्कृतिः विदिता किं विदिता न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृते विभो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृते विभो दण्डनमस्ति पंडिताः न निष्कृतिः किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे.
Okay, we'll end the class here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmagamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurpurusharthatmakam brahmatattvam tattavad bhati sakshat gurupavanapure hanta भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Rajesh